Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to mirror front camera on your iPhone. But before I show you that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, it helps me out a lot. So, for example, if I open up my camera and I take a picture, as you can see, I was on this side, but I'm actually on the other side. And to fix that, what you need to do is you want to go to settings and then let's scroll down until we see camera, click on camera, and then if we scroll, you see mirror front camera. If I turn that on and I open up the camera once again, take a picture on this side, as you can see, it didn't mirror it and everything is great. If you want to turn it off, just do the same things all over again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.